Hello, I'm Ken Hardison, and welcome to the Biker Injury Law Firm. Motorcycle accidents are what we do, and it's all we do. So here's 5 tips that can double your motorcycle injury settlement. So number 1 is take photos. Take photos of the scene. Take photos of your injuries. If you've got bruises, you got scars, you got cuts. Take photos of the vehicles. Take photos of your motorcycle. You cannot have enough photos because photos are worth 1,000 words. Number 2, get diagnosis for every injury you have. I know somebody say, I'm a tough guy, I'm just worried about my neck, when you might have elbow issues or knee issues. If you don't get them diagnosed and put in their medical records right to begin with, what happens is the insurance companies say, well, you must have got hurt somewhere else because when you went to the ER or you went to your doctor the first time, you said nothing about your knee being hurt. And now, 3 weeks later, after your neck's eased up, now you're starting to feel the pain in your knee even more. So the deal is, every injury, you got to document it at the beginning of your claim. Number 3 is follow the doctor's advice. If he sends you to therapy, go to therapy. Show up for the appointments on time. Tell him everything that's going on with you. Do not make light of any injury or any pain. Tell him if you're having an 8 pain in your neck, but only a 4 pain in your knee, tell him all about the knee and the neck, not just the neck. Number 4, you're going to need to hire the appropriate experts. If you've got lost wages or future lost wages, you're going to need an expert, an economist. If you own a business, you'll have to show how it's going to affect your business in the future. If you have permanent disability, you'll have to have somebody to talk about that and give you a rating. If you have future medical bills, you're going to need to hire what we call a life care planner that can go out and figure out what it's going to cost for your future medicals. You want to hire an accident reconstructionist right at the get-go. So these are the type of things that will double your injury claim right from the beginning. And then there's another thing, once you get your settlement, a way to put more money in your pocket is to negotiate down liens or doctor bills that you incurred that are unpaid. And we as the lawyers, we do that every day. And here's the bonus. Really the biggest way that you can double your recovery is hire a lawyer. And you say, why? Because the insurance companies did a study several years ago. Their studies showed that people who hired lawyers got 3.5 times more money in their pocket net when they hired a lawyer than those claimants who did not hire a lawyer. And so I recommend that you look at our frequently asked question videos, gather a lot of information. If you don't get the answer what you want, call us up for a no obligation free consultation. We're here to help.